Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm showing you how I'm organizing my homecoming mom supplies and ribbons and kind of redoing my craft room. I have to do this every year after homecoming season, so usually after Christmas. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and don't forget to tap the bell for notifications on my uploads, live streams, and premieres. Okay, after sorting out all my homecoming mom supplies that I ordered and the stuff that I still had, because I have to, incorporate it together and see how much I have of everything. I had to completely redo all my bins, all my shelves, everything. So I spent the whole weekend doing this. Even those boxes of ribbons up there, those have completely been redone. I tried to organize everything with similar items so I can find it easier. I save all these plastic containers here that you see. They're like candy or nut containers, and so we save those and I reuse them. They work great for trinkets. You see one has all volleyball stuff in it, so all my volleyball ornaments are in that one, and just miscellaneous things, like there's one for baseball. I think I have my gold basketball all in one, but then I have my gold or my silver basketball in another container. This blue basket, it has all cheer trinkets in it, and the colors are gold, silver, white, and black. And then there's some wired ribbons. I actually redid this too. This video, I actually took video throughout the weekend, like 2 different times, so you'll see some changes at the end of the video. So these these bins have the little containers with trinkets, and ever since I've had these bins, those 2 bins have always had trinkets in it, and that was all my trinkets. But now you see I have them all over the shelves and everything too, so they just keep, every year I just keep growing and growing. Now this bin, I redid it too. It has my large ornaments in it, and then the large like wooden letters, just some of the large ornaments and lights for homecoming moms. And then you see I also printed something out to say what was in it, because I'm always lost every year. I can never remember where I put anything. So these 2 bins have my flowers, and I also printed out not only what size flowers are in there, but how many I have of each flower. I've never done that before, so I'm hoping that will help me stay organized. And you'll see I've got like number 1s under each flower size, and the reason for that is I'm hoping that when I use like a 5.5-inch flower, that I'll remember to mark one out, so I'll know like how low I'm getting. These boxes, those are all ribbons, and I redid every one of those boxes. I redid this bin as well, this drawer, I should say. It's mostly homecoming mom ribbons, like the ice crunch ribbon, the honeycombs, just different kinds of homecoming mom ribbons like that. These drawers like that, I've got like streamers and a couple other things in it. This one has a lot of the larger size stuff in it as well. So just miscellaneous stuff. This has like the bigger stuff for the Mumflower, but sports ball related. And that one too, that one's mostly football stuff. And this bin, or this drawer, I redid too. It's got all my bells in it. So all my bells are in one spot, except for those really giant bells that I got at Christmas time. I had to put them somewhere else, but all my regular cowbells and jingle bells are all in one spot, so that'll be really easy for me to find them. They're sorted by color, and sorted by color and size. This drawer I redid this drawer too. It's got all my trinket packs in it. It's got those really, really large cowbells, and it's got some extra trinkets in it that wouldn't fit in the bins. So I'll know where all my extras are, and I can look through there if I get low on something. Here are some more ribbons. You see, that's a lot of the homecoming mom ribbons that I ordered and got last week. There's some of the white ones I put in one spot because I use a lot of those. And then I have all those little buttons that I like to use in the middle of a flower. So I put, instead of having those buttons with each trinket, like with the volleyball trinkets or the baseball trinkets, I put them in those little containers and sorted them out. I can easily put those on my work table when I'm working and find all those little mini things. There's also some like blingy charms in different sports. There's some other bells right there too. Those are the ones I got at Christmas that I may use on a homecoming mom. I just wanted to have them out just in case I wanted to use them. I've got red, green, and white. So on a really large mum, that might be really fun. This bin I also redid. It's got my garters, my elastic, and my felt. I've never had those in one spot before, and I thought that's, I use those together, so that would be a good idea to have them together. And I even wrote it on there. I've got or printed it out so I can find them. I redid that whole spot in my craft room with those two bins. I moved them, and they've got just all kinds of random extras and stuff. It's got like tinsel in it and tubing and stuff. You can see on those shelves, I did move some of those baskets around. I think it was on the bottom 2 or 3 shelves. I did some rearranging there, so you might notice that. And then these small drawers, I have stickers and some scrapbooking stuff. So all my sports related, and it's either band and cheer stickers, and then the rest of the drawers are really just scrapbooking stuff. And then I have a big basket that I have some stuff in. I have like the glitter cardstock and then a few extra stuff on that red basket. And the green basket is where I keep most of my staplers and my staples. I do get a lot of requests for how I organize like my trinkets and stuff like that, and my craft room, what it looks like. So I'm going to try and share more of that kind of thing with you guys this year. So I'd love your feedback on that, if you're enjoying that, if that's what you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like. Please be kind with your comments, and as always, be kind to others. And happy crafting and happy mum making, everyone. And don't forget to join my lives and chat with us. I really love to hear from you guys, and I love the communication. Thank you guys for your support.